Hi, Analia. I wanted to show you how to log into Seesaw and get to the link for our class meetings. So first you're going to go to this website, app.seesaw.me. Once you're there, you're going to click on I'm a student. And then here is your class code. So it says Analia's home learning code. So you're going to go down here. This is just for you, your code. So here where it says text code, you're going to put that in the box. And then you're going to press go. Once you're in, you're going to go and find the daily schedule. So today is Thursday, October 8th. So you're going to click here on this schedule. And then here is our first class meeting. So you would click on this link. When you click on that link, what's going to come up is this. It's going to say first name, last name. So you're going to put your first name here and you can put your last name there. If you're having trouble doing that, you can just put the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. Then you press enter session and you'll be in our meeting. The same thing is for our second meeting at 11. Okay, and then also for your music meeting. So hopefully you'll be able to log into our class meeting today. If you have trouble, make sure to give me a call or have your mom call me and we'll figure it out. All right, hope to see you later.